today we are going to talk about and demonstrate how to create a buy button for your website to enable crypto payments directly from your website that will then land in your own self-custody crypto wallet. So for everyone who's new here, MagnetPay is a cryptocurrency payments infrastructure that allows merchants and individuals to accept over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies and have those cryptocurrencies not only land in the cryptocurrency of your choice, but also land in your self-custody wallet for an instant settlement, very quick transaction. No third parties involved, directly and straight to you. So if you don't have a MagnetPay account, go ahead and sign up. I'll put a video right up there that will help you sign up and get registered for a quick and free account. So without further ado, I'm going to log into my account. So I am logged into my MagnetPay account. Now, one thing to note is that with MagnetPay, you can have multiple different businesses, multiple different organizations within a single login. So if you have all of these different businesses and organizations, you do not need to create a separate login account. As you can see, I have 5 accounts available, and we are going to choose Agent Builder Pro today. So Agent Builder Pro is another one of my businesses where we build all sorts of different voice agents for our customers to do many things like customer service. You know, if you look on the MagnetPay landing page, you'll see one of these voice agents at the bottom to help you navigate if you have any questions. And also inside of the MagnetPay dashboard, you can see a help agent down here that will also help you navigate and show you exactly how to use this particular app. So what we're going to do is go ahead and create a buy button for one of the products we already have set. Now, again, I already have products created for this particular company, and I also have payment links created for this particular company. Now, you will need a payment link in order to create a buy button. So if you haven't done so, go ahead and create some products and create some payment links so you can create a buy button. Now, if you just want to do a donation, you do not need to necessarily create a separate product. If you want to do a donation, you can come directly into payment links, create payment link, and you can click on donation. Now, I have also made a video dedicated to creating donations, so I'll put that video up there as well so you can take a look at it. Now, back to creating this buy button. So again, you go to payment links, click on one of the payment links you have. We are going to choose our 24/7 AI phone and web receptionist. Now, once you get into the dedicated page for that particular payment link, there's going to be a button right here that says buy button. Click on that buy button. And this is the editor where you're going to be able to create that buy button that will leave you with an embed code that you can then go and embed directly on your website or wherever you want to embed that link. Now, once you are in the buy button editor, you have 2 options. You can create a card, which is what you currently see on the screen, or you can create a button, which is a smaller version as you see right here. We are going to go with a button today. Now let's go back to the Agent Builder Pro website so we can see exactly where we're going to place this button. Let's place this button maybe either here on the landing page or somewhere in this region on the agents page. But let's go ahead and create this button. Since our website is black, we're going to create a little bit of contrast, and let's create a white button. Card background, we're going to make that white. The text we're going to make black. We're going to make black, and we're going to leave the buy button blue, but let's make the text on that buy button black as well. Okay, that doesn't look too bad, so we're going to go with that. And once you've set up the design however you want, you could also create a sharp version of that. You can create a rounded version, and you can create a pill version depending on what style your website is in. Actually, I'm going to make that text white. I'm going to keep that white, and we're going to keep it, we're actually going to do a pill shape. since our UI over here on this page, we utilize pills. So let's do that. Okay, once we have that, all we need to do is save changes and copy. So we're going to click on that, and we have copied that. Now I'm going to go onto my website to embed that code so that it will show up on the website, and when clicked on, will go directly to the payment page. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I am in my website editor. For those of you who do not know, I use lovable.dev to create a lot of my websites these days, and that's how I build Agent Builder Pro. So what we're going to do is come right into the chat and have it embed this code. So I'll paste the code. I have a buy button widget, and I want you to place this widget on the agents page directly above the section where it says your personal assistant in your pocket. Just go ahead and center it, and the code is as follows. So we're just going to let that do its thing real quick. Now, depending on how your website is set up, it is very simple for you to take that code and embed it. Whether you're using Squarespace or something like Shopify, it's pretty simple and straightforward. And if you don't know, I'm sure there's a YouTube video floating around somewhere to show you how to embed that code, but it's very simple. Okay, so it's claimed to have had done it, and boom, now we have the buy button. Let's go ahead and publish this. Okay, now that is completed, and as you can see exactly where I wanted it, we now have that buy button directly on our website. So what I'm going to do is click that buy button, and it takes us directly to the payment page where a customer can then select over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies and make that payment and have it settled instantly in your self-custody account. So I hope this video was very useful to you, and let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you on the inside.